Kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make Filipino CHAMPORADO. I am so excited to make this. This is a chocolate rice pudding. We're going to use jasmine rice. However, if you have glutinous sticky rice that is sweet, please use that. It is very expensive. You can get it on Amazon, but it is pretty much double the price of jasmine rice, and this is much easier to find. You can get it in most grocery stores. So we're going to use jasmine rice, evaporated milk, condensed milk, some sugar. So then we get everything mise en place, and I will show you how to make it.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes.
We have our saucepan over medium heat, and we're going to add to it our 1 cup of water, our 1 cup of jasmine rice, and our can of evaporated milk, and we're going to bring that to a boil. While that's coming to a boil, I'm going to now heat up our cocoa powder. This is our 1 cup of water. We're going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then to it we're going to stir in our cocoa powder, and that helps really bring out the flavor of it. Our water is nice and hot. Can you see the steam coming off? And now we're just going to add in the cocoa powder. Now you can see the cocoa powder has quite a few lumps, so we definitely want to use this whisk to get rid of all the lumps and really stir it in. So we're going to stir that in until all the lumps are gone. The most important thing about making rice pudding is that you want to stir it. So this is one of those things that you have to constantly stir. So once you get all of that liquid in there, we're going to bring it to a boil, and then we want to constantly stir it until it thickens. I'm not going to add the sugar just yet because I don't want it to burn the bottom of the pan. So I'm going to let it come to a boil and stir it for 5 minutes, and then I will add the sugar. It's been simmering for 5 minutes, so let's add in our sugar, and we're going to continuously stir this now until it is cooked. So don't go anywhere. You're going to be standing here for at least 5 to 10 minutes stirring constantly, and this is the labor-intensive dessert that everybody loves. So make sure you just realize that. Don't go into the phone or walk away. You have to stir this continuously for another 6 minutes. You see how thick it's getting? So now we're gonna add in about half of our can of condensed milk. Keep the other half to drizzle over the top for serving. So you don't wanna use all of it, just eyeball half and reserve the other half to drizzle on top when you're serving it. We're now gonna add that in and continue to stir for another 3 to 4 minutes until it's the thickness and desired consistency that you like. Look how beautifully thick that is now. Oh, I can't wait to try it. So I'm gonna spoon this in and let it cool a little bit before serving. But let me get this in our bowl. And before you serve, we're just gonna drizzle a little of this condensed milk like this. I'm just gonna do a little zigzag. Woo! And then give it a taste. Oh, this was delicious. I'll have another taste. Oh, I hope this inspires you to make it at home. This is our Filipino CHAMPORADO, a chocolate rice pudding using cocoa powder, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and it is so good. I cannot wait to finish this bowl. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out all of our videos on our YouTube channel. Take care. Bye-bye. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.